this week, bro, we finna go over the trade. This was a beautiful week. We had like a what $700. We had like it ended up being like probably like a $900 week, but we had a $700 day. And we had a big push in the market that was like it wasn't no news event or nothing. It was just like a real good push based off of a very simple setup. It was I read $75 and made a total of $538. And it was actually a real crazy setup because I was like, it was like 2 pips away from getting stopped out. All right, so we can actually just clear all this up. So I can break this setup down for you guys. Right. So we start from the higher time frame. This is what I've seen here. The markers was like kind of like ranging in between 199,800 and 195 800. And she was just like ranging in between this area. And it's clear as day that like price was still actually I feel like still on the uptrend overall. But like it's obviously starting to have small minor shifts on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, such as the H4, the H1, these things. This right here, this indication right here, let me know the sellers was getting stronger. And then what supported that claim was once I seen this linear level break, which is a trend line. Once I seen this area right here break, I already knew that some type of selling pressure was coming in the markets. Once I seen that, that's when I dove in on my lower time frame to take full advantage of the markets. And if we want to understand why price started to convert and shift here, everything could be explained, right? So we go on a higher time frame. I went to the line chart and I seen the support and resistance right here. So right now it came to the area and started using it as resistance. So we just to mark this little area right here off, right? Boom. You could just boom. Let me see if I could get the median of that area. Yeah. So boom, and we're gonna go boom. Right. So once I seen that, and that's why price start turning there. You know what I'm saying? Like that's why we start seeing lower highs in these areas. You feel me? Because this right here is an indication that buyers getting weaker. You know what I'm saying? We starting to see a shift of that momentum up here. Like it's not making new highs. You see what I'm saying? It's starting to break these I'm gonna say break, but it's starting to respect this resistance. And this is literally exactly what it did. Change the color. So I like that color. Yep. So basically, and that's what it did, right? And the move I was telling you about happened on Monday. It was a very simple, nice move. Um, and this what happened right here, as we can see. Let's go to Monday, 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 Monday. Boom, Sunday, yeah, Sunday. So the move was right here, right? So to the H1 real quick. Yeah, so the H1. So basically, I seen this support right here broken. And this all like this by Sunday, I already knew that, some type of selling pressure was coming in the market. I already knew that, right? The support was broken, price made a lower high here. And then right here, found support and start giving me a nice retracement. Once I seen a retracement, I start tracking the retracement. Right. I start seeing lower highs form. I didn't want to sell until I seen price like really come right here, to be honest, or right here. But once I seen this right here, oh my God. Okay, let's go back. All right, here we go. But once I seen this right here, this automatically made me shift my mindset to go ahead and sell. Right. Because she started respecting this 1-6 flat area. So 1-6 flat area right here, she started respecting it randomly. And then we look left to get right, right? We go to the higher time frame. I seen this right. It was respecting this resist, made this support turn to resistance. It's really like a big, area. But like if we was to just dumb it down, right, it's still respected. So we got support still respected, never broke it, and then finally broke it. So it kind of came here. Every retest don't have to be a perfect retest. So you came there and this gave us like a gap retest, right? So once it did that, and I seen that linear level break, it was perfect. Like it was literally perfect, bro. So my entry was entry was right here. Or to yeah, entry was. And I didn't, and the crazy part about this, y'all, hold on, let me see here, right there. No, true. Oh, 8, 4, 5. Yeah. So the crazy thing about this, bro, it was the crazy thing about, I promise y'all, bro, like it was like, yeah, it was like midnight. So like, I was like, bro, I'm finna go to sleep. Like I'm seeing higher lows. I'm thinking my stop loss finna get hit. And keep in mind, y'all, this literally my stop loss alert right here. Like, so keep in mind at the time, like, uh, at this exact time, I already accepted my risk, y'all. Like, and normally my average RR is a 1 to 2. So I catch a 1 to 2 and I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I don't really try to hold orders, that long unless I already got risk capital to do so. But at that time, I think I was like, yeah, it was the beginning of the week. So it was like, I'm just trying to, you feel me, catch a couple moves. And then normally around like Thursday, I'll dumb it down. You know what I'm saying? But basically, like I got in the markets, bro. I woke up like 2. And I'm like, God, I thought my alert got hit, bro. I had an alert in profit. And then when I woke up, bro, I caught a 6.667. 66. Yeah, right there. I closed right here at this support right to the left. So it was a very simple trade, y'all. Like I already identified what happened on higher time frame. We were seeing lower highs form, price broke the support, and it changed structure from on the H4 time frame and H1 time frame to a downtrend, right? And then basically, like I said, the risk was $75. The reward was 538. And that was and I ended up the week like 900 something in profit overall. But just go to show y'all, bro, like patience, the power of investing. And the power to just stick to your plan and allow price to come to my technicals. Right. So I knew the pullback was happening. Also I had this technical, I had my fib out here right there as well. And I seen this retest area right here, another retest area right there. And once it broke this linear level, I knew on the backside of it some type of sell momentum was gonna come, and that's literally what happened, bro. So that was that setup. It was a very simple setup. Um, it was a very simple setup. You see the markets kind of like this right here was a 23.6 retracement. So it made this 23.6 based off of that I think it was like H4 time frame, and then it came up here and like it made like a violet lower high, probably trying to back test this previous support trend line, kind of like use it as resistance as well. And it's still making these lower highs over time, especially like if price come break is lower here, it's gonna keep going down temporarily. But I really genuinely feel like it's an overall uptrend overall, like based off that higher time frame. Like this right here was as we can see, we zoom out, we got this lower high here was broken, right? This right here was like a higher low, and then it eventually came up and broke that, right? And then these were like 23.6 or so. Obviously, some sales momentum going on, but to this area broke, it's still uptrend overall. But trading is always a story within a story within a story. That's why it's called time frame correlation. But what I mean? So that's basically how I flipped $75 risk to 538. And the risk to reward was what 1 to 6. So if I was risking $500, that would have been 3,000. If I was risking 1,000, that would have been 6,000. If I was risking 2,000, that would have been 12K. Right. And the trade didn't even take that long, y'all. Like I was in the trade for like not even 2 hours. So I made $500 in like 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? Just because of knowledge, knowing how to trade, knowing my technicals, knowing my proper risk management plan, and things of that nature, bro. So, it's all about patience. It's all about discipline. It's all about allowing price to come to your technicals. Don't rush the process, accept the journey. And like I said, man, if y'all want to tap in into my signature, I call this in the signals. Y'all want to tap into my signature, link out my YouTube description. It's also my Instagram. And